the same, season the other side with the same stuff. You know, you gotta have flavor with your chicken. I'm doing onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, garlic and herb seasoning, oregano, and paprika. I didn't want them finely chopped because of what I'm cooking. Why, thank you. So we're doing a creamy Tuscan chicken. So yeah, I didn't want them finely chopped. This isn't taking long to cook at all. We're just gonna add some garlic, minced garlic. Just need a little more flavor.
See that crack, man?
This chicken is so delicious. I'm just gonna take the chicken out and put it on a plate for now. Add some cream cheese. And this is how it turned out, y'all.